Welcome to LinkedUp, the all-in-one platform built to simplify club and community management. From creating clubs to managing members, LinkedUp brings everything together in one simple, intuitive space. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard to get started. Here, you'll see the My Club section, which lists all the clubs you're currently part of. When you click on Upcoming Events, you'll see a list of scheduled meetings for your clubs, displayed in chronological order. You can also click on the Discover tab. This is where you can browse other clubs within your community that you're not a part of yet. In this example, the user is a member of 3 clubs: Chess Masters, Community Band, and Debate Team. They're a regular member in Chess Masters and hold leadership positions in the other 2. Let's begin by exploring the Chess Masters Club. Here, you'll see a club description, meeting schedule, and details about the next event. In the Club Details section, you'll see several tabs to help you navigate. When you click on Members, you can view the full list of members, including those in leadership roles. In the Events section, you'll find dates, times, and locations for all upcoming meetings. Clicking on Announcements will show you important updates shared by club leaders. Open important files to access and download key documents, such as club rules and reference materials. Feel free to explore each tab to find the information you need. Now let's check out Community Band, where our user is the club's treasurer. As a leader, you have extra admin tools, including issuing warnings for absences, disruptions, or rule violations, sending absence notifications to members who missed meetings. Club leaders are also responsible for taking attendance at club meetings. This can easily be done right here in the Events tab using the Attendance button. With just one click, attendance can be recorded quickly and efficiently during meetings. Leaders can also create new meetings, which automatically notifies all members by email. These tools help club leaders keep everything running smoothly and efficiently. From the dashboard, clicking Discover allows users to explore other clubs. Each club profile includes a brief overview, leadership details, upcoming events. If you are interested in joining, just click Join Club. The leadership team will be notified of your request and can approve it. Once accepted, you gain full access to the club's information and tools. To create a new club, return to the dashboard and click on Create a New Club. You'll be taken to a form where you can outline your club's purpose, goals, and meeting plans. Your proposal will go through a simple 3-step process. 1. Submit proposal. Fill out the club creation form with your vision, goals, and meeting plans. 2nd, admin review. Your proposal will be reviewed by the administrative team for approval. 3. Start leading. Once approved, you'll be assigned as the club leader and can begin building your community. Begin by entering your club's basic information. Next, enter your meeting details. Finally, complete the additional details to help the admin team understand your vision. When you're ready, click Submit Proposal. Your proposal will be reviewed by the administrative team, who will evaluate your club's purpose, goals, expected members, and leadership experience. If approved, you'll be assigned as the club leader and can begin organizing meetings and growing your community. That wraps up our tour of the LinkedUp platform. From managing events and attendance to discovering new clubs and launching your own, LinkedUp keeps your community connected, informed, and engaged.